Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, from the Consulate General of Pakistan in Vancouver for Western Canada. I wish to extend my heartiest felicitations to all the Pakistani community living in Western Canada on the auspicious occasion of the Independence Day of Pakistan. August 14 reminds us of the epic democratic struggle of our forefathers for securing a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent, where they could spend their lives according to their religious, cultural, and social values, free of Hindu tyranny. Indeed, we are indebted to our ancestors for their innumerable sacrifices for the cause of freedom and dignity for their future generations. This day provides us an opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and to the aspirations of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who wanted to see the Muslims of subcontinent flourish in a separate homeland without any fear of oppression, intolerance, inequality, and injustice. Mr. Jinnah had envisioned a democratic, tolerant, and progressive Pakistan, where every citizen could utilize his or her faculties to the fullest and could reap the benefits of socio-economic progress in an equitable manner. He strived and stood for rule of law, egalitarianism, and establishment of a democratic polity. Undoubtedly, our beautiful country is blessed with every gift of nature, from an ideal geostrategic location to the most talented and progressive youth. We have all the ingredients to carve out our own destiny and rise as a successful nation in the world. Unwavering commitment to the ideals of Quaid-e-Azam and following the principles of unity, faith, and discipline will help us overcome all our present-day challenges and make Pakistan a self-reliant, economically vibrant, and a prosperous country. Let us on this day renew our pledge to build Quaid-e-Azam's Pakistan. Let us on this day also pay our tributes to our heroes and to all those who have put their hearts, souls, and lives towards ensuring that our freedom is not marred by any internal and external factors. Let us on this day dedicate ourselves to those ideals and also to reassess as to what extent we have been able to achieve those ideals. आप सबको यौम आज़ादी मुबारक हो. पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद.